Today, we're examining a customized AK105 platform, upgraded for modern tactical use. First, let's examine the stock customization. The standard shoulder stock assembly has been replaced with hybrid polyamide adapter and buffer tube system. The stock features ambidextrous folding lock securely in both left and right side positions for maximum versatility. The shoulder stock length is fully adjustable to accommodate the shooter's anthropometry, ensuring optimal ergonomics for any body type or gear configuration. The traditional grip has been replaced with rubberized pistol grip. Its textured surface, featuring tactical grooves and anatomical finger contours, enhances shooter's contact and prevents slipping even when wet or when operating with gloves. Additionally, we have equipped the rifle with a polyamide free-floated handguard by maintaining only single contact point with the barrel near the receiver cover. This design significantly improves the shot consistency and accuracy of firing. The reviewed device is made of polyamide compound, reinforced with fiberglass. This material is distinguished by enhanced durability and resistance to mechanical shock loads, as well as the impact of recoil impulse from firing. The handguard features numerous M-lock slots for attaching various accessories. The tactical foregrip is installed beneath the handguard to improve weapon control and handling. The grip is securely mounted to the handguard, and its rounded edges are designed to seamlessly integrate with rail systems, ensuring tight and stable lock. The receiver cover features a dedicated mounting bracket for attaching various optical sights and aiming devices. After customization, this model now fully complies with modern requirements and standards. This concludes our review. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye.